Hello and welcome to Ratesmiths video tutorials. In this session, we'll be showing you how quick and easy it is to create your profile on Ratesmiths, focusing on profile details and contact details. Before we get started, you should know that these are not public profiles and will only be visible to design and fit out contractors that you invite to tender for your office design and fit out projects. Very simple fields to move through: business name, industry. We have a drop down menu for you to select your industry from. ABN as well as business name. You'll notice that we have an asterisk there that indicates these as mandatory fields for completion. Whilst the others are optional, we do advise that you provide as much information about your business as possible, making it easier for those companies that you have invited to tender for your projects to understand a little bit about your business prior to engagement. Once those fields are filled out, you can press save and then move on to the contact details. Contact details should be the primary contact between your business and the office design fit out companies, simply providing the name, mobile number, and address. The address feeds into the matching algorithm to ensure that you're matched with local businesses to deliver your office fit out. Once you've pressed save, you can then very easily review your profile by clicking on view profile, the bottom left here. And as you'll see, the images up here and all of the details, the link to your website, making it easy for your fit out contractors to do their research prior to engagement. We hope that you found this video informative and invite you to view other Ratesmiths tutorial videos to ensure you get the best out of your Ratesmiths profile. Thank you.